How to do a chemical cleaning after renovation. Renovations are especially useful when it comes to updating spaces to be with the current times. Results of a renovation project can be quite satisfying, but before getting to settle down in the newly transformed space or home, cleaning must take place. If you want to clean your house by own, then you can follow the steps below to avoid any harms. Cleaning the windows. First order of business in cleaning after a renovation are the walls and windows. Cleaning the windows is comparatively simple. First thing to do is to get rid of the dust and debris and any material on the window. Then, mix together some vinegar and water for a cleaning agent solution. Disinfect every part of the window and wash once or twice. Cleaning the walls. Walls are also quite easy to clean. You can opt to use the same vinegar and water mixture to clean, or change up and use soap and water. Apply the mixture once or twice with a sponge while gently brushing. Finally, clean with plain water and dry with cloth. Clearing the floor. The next step is to clear the floor. There will probably be a large amount of dirt and debris. This is where a chemical cleanup comes in. This process can be potentially dangerous and hence requires an extra amount of carefulness and caution. The first thing to do, ensure the floor is absolutely clear of dirt and debris. Sweep thoroughly. Next thing to do is purchase the number 3 acid for washing. When cleaning the floor, ensure you are wearing protective gear. Wear goggles to protect the eyes. Gloves on hands are a must. Also ensure that no part of the body is left uncovered to avoid any contact with the chemical. Carefully wash the floor with a sponge. Once done, clean thoroughly with water and soap and ensure every inch is free of acid. For a carpeted floor. If your floor is carpet, acid cleaning will not apply. Instead, use a good suction vacuum with a good filter to capture particles. Invest in a good quality mask before beginning the vacuuming process. Chemical washing is a great way to clear out any stains on the hard-surfaced floor, and it requires extra precaution when handling. So, it is recommended to hire cleaning services to help you.